Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I am preparing a lunchbox recipe or a snack recipe. This is a healthy option using sweet potato. So this is a basic sandwich, the ingredients for which is given in the description box below. So do check it out. This will be a good snack for kids as well as adults. So to begin with, I've got sweet potato which I've boiled, peeled and mashed nicely. Into this we're going to add some ingredients. That's finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies, some finely chopped coriander, salt, cumin powder, chaat masala and some lime juice. So we add all the ingredients into the sweet potato. I'm going to just squeeze the lime. Combine everything together nicely. Now I've applied butter on 2 slices of bread. I'm going to take the filling, put it on one side of the bread. Make sure you stuff it nicely and just slightly press it down. Now I'm going to put the other slice of bread on top. Now we'll apply butter to the outside edges. Now I've put a tawa on fire and I'm going to place the bread on it. Now we'll cook this sandwich from both sides until it is golden brown. So it's done from one side, it's nice and golden brown. Now we'll cook it from the other side as well. So it's nicely done, we'll remove it into a plate. So do try this healthy option at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.